So we should start with Dalton's atomic theory. What are the different postulates of Dalton's atomic theory? You already have read, just you have to revise them. First most important thing was that Dalton told that elements are made up of tiny particles called atoms. तो एटम जो एलिमेंट्स जो थे वो एटम से बने हुए थे जो कि बहुत टाइनी पार्टिकल्स थे एंड दीज एटम्स ओके of a given element are identical in nature. That means what do you mean by identical properties? For example, these properties may be atomic mass, chemical reactions, ठीक है, atomic size, atomic mass, okay, atomic number and other properties, physical and chemical properties. All elements of a given element, that means if there is an element, for example carbon, hydrogen, any element is there, so all the atoms will have the same properties, okay, identical properties. If there is one carbon atom having 12 atomic mass unit, then the other carbon atom will also have the same, just identical atomic mass, okay. If one has the same melting point, the other should have also. Then the other postulate one, atoms of different elements have different properties. That means no two elements can have the same property or identical properties. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा, कोई भी दो एलिमेंट्स ऐसे नहीं हो सकते हैं कभी भी नेचर में जिनके सेम आइडेंटिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ हों, ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि कार्बन के जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल है एटॉमिक मास 12, तो हाइड्रोजन का भी या कोई और एलिमेंट का कोई भी आप एज्यूम करें एलिमेंट, तो उसका भी एटॉमिक मास सेम नहीं हो सकता है, ना ही कोई और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी हो सकती है, फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. And there was also another point, atoms are indivisible in nature. What do you mean by indivisible? Means you cannot divide an atom. Atom को divide नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि atom according to Dalton atom was the smallest particle. और एटम से छोटा कोई और पार्टिकल नहीं हो सकता, ये डाल्टन की थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग हमने पढ़ा था. तो 1800 में जब डाल्टन्स की ये थ्योरी आई 80s में, तो उस टाइम पर नो वन वाज टू चैलेंज दिस थ्योरी बिकॉज उस टाइम पर एटम वाज द फर्स्ट डिस्कवर टू बी नेम्ड बाय द डाल्टन. एंड एट द टाइम ऑल द साइंटिस्ट all the scientists thought yes, these points are valid. So this continued to be a very relevant theory. But what happened when some discoveries took place, especially when the subatomic particles like electrons, protons and neutrons were discovered later on, so these postulates tend to be false. For example, when he said that atoms are indivisible, but some particles inside the atom, some structures were discovered like electron, protons and neutrons were discovered, so it was verified that atoms are individual. This point is not valid, so this postulate went wrong. तो एटम्स इंडिविजुअल होते हैं, इनको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, ये पॉइंट यहाँ पर कैंसिल आउट हो गया, ये कहीं ना कहीं फॉल्स साबित हुआ. इसके बाद और क्या चीज़ था, ये वाला जो पोस्टुलेट जो आप देख रहे हैं, ऑल एटम्स ऑफ ए गिवन एलिमेंट आर आइडेंटिकल, यानी कि जितने एटम्स होंगे किसी भी एलिमेंट के, सब की सब जो हैं वो आइडेंटिकल होंगे, एक जैसे होंगे, उनका जितनी प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी वो सारी यहाँ पर आइडेंटिकल होंगी. बट व्हाट हैपन व्हेन द आइसोटोप्स वर डिस्कवर्ड, तो 9th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा है आइसोटोप्स के बारे में. फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन, वी कैन टेक एनी एलिमेंट, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी एलिमेंट हैज दिस. So almost all elements have isotopes. If we take an example of the isotopes of the hydrogen, then we will see that here what happened, what did Dalton said? Dalton said that all the atoms of a given element will have the same identical property. They will have the same atomic mass, okay. But what actually happened here, when the isotopes were discovered, they were belong to the same element, okay, hydrogen, but they have different or unique, they don't have the same atomic mass here, they have different atomic mass. Similarly, you can take other example of isotopes also. So basically the discovery of isotopes prove this point of the Dalton falls. So this postulate of the Dalton's atomic theory also went wrong when the discovery of isotopes took place. So here the discovery of subatomic particles, and then the discovery of isotopes led this point as false. Look at the next point. Atoms of different elements have different property. No two or more elements can have the identical property. This means that if we take two elements, for example, actually the discovery of isobars. Isobars are what? In 9th standard you have studied. Isobars are those atoms belonging to different elements having different atomic number. That means different elements but having the identical or same atomic mass. So the discovery of isobars, when isobars were discovered, then this point of Dalton, that is atoms of different element having different property, that point also went false. So this also went wrong. So in this way we can say these we are studying their limitation at the same time. What are the limitations? First point we discussed that Dalton's atomic theory, according to Dalton, elements were made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms से बना हुआ होता है, और ये जो atoms होते हैं ये individual होते हैं nature में. That means you cannot divide. But ultimately when electrons, protons and neutrons, that is subatomic particles, were discovered, this postulate of Dalton went wrong. Okay. Similarly, the other point that he told, that all atoms of a given element will have are identical or have the identical properties, identical mass. This also went wrong, or later on when the discovery of isotopes took place, this point of the Dalton will also remain invalid. Similarly, the third point, the atoms of different elements having different properties, that means no two or more elements can have the same or identical properties, same atomic mass, went wrong with the discovery of isobars. So isobars, you can take a number of examples. You can take the example of argon, then here calcium, all these are isobars having same atomic mass but different atomic number or different element they belong to. So these isobars went this point wrong. So thus we can say that Dalton's atomic theory was very basic in nature. He was the first to tell that there are some particles called atoms, okay, which are the main constituent of any substance, chemical substance. But ultimately the discovery of different subatomic particles, isobars and isotopes went on to discover different points that were different from Dalton atomic theory. So these three limitations we talked about. Okay, now we will look at some limitations also in his next postulate.